Hey guys, Chance here at Reparadise. We're standing in a brand new Brinkley fifth wheel. Really excited to get started on this project. As you can see, our slide outs are in right now, but this thing is really nice. We got a island right here in the center, recliners, pop-up TV. Yeah, super nice coach. And we are getting ready to do a Victron full path system in here. So let's go up front and take a peek at what we're gonna do. All right, we're gonna install our touch 70 display up here, right next to the rest of the controls. And then we're gonna go out here. We're actually gonna do twin inverters on this install. It's a 50 amp coach, so we're gonna have two multi-plus inverters powering leg 1 and leg 2. So everything in this coach is gonna work, including both ACs. What I'm thinking is those inverters are gonna get mounted on this wall right here, and then we're gonna come around up front here. Right in here, we're gonna do all of our supporting equipment. So we're gonna install the servo, solar controllers, all that stuff in here, including our battery bank. We're gonna be doing 6 of our 48 volt batteries. That's gonna be just under 15 kilowatts of storage. So yeah, it's gonna be a really sweet install. I'm excited to get started. All right, guys, we're wrapping up this Brinkley install. Let's go up front and check it out. So up front we installed 6 of our 48 volt batteries. They stacked in real nice here. Gives nice clean install. Tied into our switch and then goes off to our distribution right here. We have twin multi-plus 3000s on board. Those are fused right there. We have our DIN rail breakers off to the left. We have our step downs for our 12 volt loads. And then we have twin solar controllers, just so we can kind of optimize our solar array and kind of prioritize different locations on the trailer. Let's go up front to the storage bay here. So we had a bunch of room in this Brinkley. It's really nice working on the fifth wheel platform. You can just get all the room with the storage tunnel in the front zone. So we have both our multi-pluses mounted here. These units are working together and their phases are flipped 180 degrees. So we actually have true 240 volt power at the panel on this coach. So I really wanted to get our touch 70 up here, but due to time constraints and chasing wires, we ended up opting to go down here. Still turned out really nice. So this is the new UI from Victron. You have your overview here. And this is kind of similar to the original screen that we've all seen. Shore power located here, our inverter chargers represented here, AC loads, DC loads, our battery bank, and then our solar yield will come in right there. Really like this new UI, notification center there, and then our settings screen over here. One thing that's really nice is at any one of these screens, you can just hit left corner here, and then you have your inverter controls. So that makes it really easy to shut down the inverters, change your current input limit, and things like that. And then you can also just come over here and hit the snooze button and turn the screen off, so it's not lighting up your hallway in the middle of the night if you don't like that. So up on the roof, we added 3 of the rich 330 watt panels coupled with their original panel. So we have 1,370 watts-ish up on the roof. We actually have room for a couple more panels, and I'm probably gonna have to go install those at a later date because the freight company lost their shipment.